What's up, guys? It's the boys kid. It's the man back on your screen with something new. You see the title, you know what's going on. Let's get straight to it. AOP, roll the footage, man. Got I got a box right here, which is what you really want to see. But first, let's get into the PacSun bag. Let's get into it. You like that? Oh, you like that? Oh, it's nice. All right, guys. The first thing we're going through is the PacSun package. You got 3 stuff in here. I got on July 14th. I have been waiting a long time to get through this. I haven't tried anything on here, but let's go through it. First thing I got are these PacSun socks. They're not PacSun socks, they're actually Stance. Just got them from PacSun. I've been looking at these for a while. You're going to see them better when I take them out of the package. I'll do that real quick. So yeah, here are the socks, just all over pink. You got this like face with like a multicolored circle in its brain. I don't know. And then this like floppy disk. Yeah, I remember floppy disks. And it says save yourself. You got a design down here that says Dropout Club International, Brendan Lee. I'm guessing that's the design of these socks. Whoever Stance designed them. And you got the Stance symbol right here on each of them. I picked them up. They were, yeah, I spent $14 on these socks. You know, it's expensive for socks, but I liked them, so I picked them up. Next we got a shirt from one of my favorite brands. Like I told you before, hundreds. Let's take it out the packaging. Ooh, it's crisp. Ooh, it's nice. Ooh, it is nice. This is from actually the Hundreds and BigFoot collab, and BigFoot is a monster truck. Monster truck. I used to watch monster trucks when I was a little kid, but that's not what you came here for. You see the shirt? They were having this. I got this on all from their like their little summer sale thing. So this was $10. This shirt is not worth $10. I'm telling you right now. That's the front, and then look at the back. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks nice. I got a size medium, so I'll show you how it looks on. But next. And lastly, for the PacSun unboxing in this video, I got something it's kind of out of my realm, but I like them. This was a collab with a brand called Mr. Completely and PacSun. They called it the collection MRCLA. And these are the camo pants. Get it in full frame here. Jogger style at the bottom. See that right there? It's got anger right here, laid out with a patch that says University of MRCLA, Southern California. And a screen printed on right there. You see the like woodland camo band going on. This zipper is like a known thing by Mr. Completely. This zipper pull. This thing only has one pocket, but it's a good pocket. It's really long. You see that? It's kind of crazy. The pull is just some drawstrings, and then you have MRCLA running down the right leg. Is it the right leg? Yeah, this is the right leg. And yeah, nothing on the back. You have a back pocket right there. It's a little cool. But I really wanted them because I felt like I needed an item like this. I wanted some camo pants. I had a little MRCLA right there. The camo picked that up. That's kind of cool. I got size medium, and I'll show you the look on. But we're on to something bigger now. Before and in the PacSun stuff, I just want to let you know this is not a sponsor. I wish it was. It's not a sponsor video by PacSun, but they are having, they do have some codes that they have. Okay, let me do that. This is not sponsored by PacSun, but they are having some sales going on right now. I know they're having BOGO denim, so you can go check that out. 20% off regular priced items. There's a code for that. 10% off for students. And then they're having a promotion where if you spend over $100, you can get an offer to give you $10 cash back. So go check that out. This is what the 100 shirt looks like on. Got the 100's BigFoot right here. Nothing on the sleeves. It does fit kind of long, but that's fine. Let's see it. You can see it. It's chill. That fits. Body. You just pull it up. That's fine. It's a size medium. And this is how it looks on the back. Again, I paid $9.90. This is a good price for this shirt. This is a good collab. Sold out quickly on their site when they released it, and I wanted it, so I got it. So this is how the pants look on. Get the MRCLA down the sleeve. This is how it looks on the leg. I'm gonna try it out with some shoes next, but this is the patch. The pulls. It was a little wide. I'd use pull strings, but that's fine. I'd say go to the size if you're interested in this item. I'll put the links down below. And you got the pocket right there with the pull tabs on it as well. Good pocket, it's a deep pocket actually. But there's only one pocket, so there's one side pocket and then one back pocket right here. Let's try it out with shoes. This is how it looks on feet. Socks, those shoes would probably show the sock up if you're okay with that. I'd rather it look like a tapered pant like this. This is a good fit for me. And yeah, look good. I also got the new socks on, so get you a peek at that. Now for what you've been waiting for. You ready? Yes, I am. Whatever.
Yo, whoever she, yeah, Molly bean, hold up, Molly bean, her bean, yeah, Molly Shire girl, hold up, why it on your ring, hold up, why that boy on lean, yo, why that boy so team, hold on me.
Alright, so let's get into it. There's a little backstory to these. I don't know if you want to hear it, but you're going to. So I got these shoes from Supreme straight, originally. They were released They were released this season, spring summer. Got them. This is the item I was looking for. A lot of people were hating on them. They didn't like the shoe. They didn't like the all over design. I loved it. You know, I'm NFL first. Maybe not this season, but I love football way more than basketball. But this shoe to me, it just I loved it. I just loved it. I loved that everyone hated on it, and I loved it. Anyway, got it from Supreme, had the 165, paid up. It was like one of the first times I bought from Supreme straight, because this is like my first season. This is my second season actually like shopping and buying Supreme. But I tried to like use a bot because I thought these were gonna go. For some reason they were on the site for like a good minute or two in my size, so I didn't really need the bot. But I used, it wasn't a bot, it was autofill. Used the autofill, paid the money disappeared from my account, but I never got a confirmation. Waited a whole week just to say that, like I was calling Supreme, everything. Like I was like, where are my shoes? Turns out in their terms of service, you can't use autofill and stuff like that. So if they detect that, they basically take your money and borrow it for a week. So they took my money for a week, 165 out of my account. I couldn't even go the next day and buy them on Nike if I had missed the Supreme job, which I ended up doing because no shoes came. So me being dumb, I scrambled, I needed the shoe. This is the one thing I was looking forward to this season. Let's look at the box. Look at it. It's a box logo. That's a real box logo, okay? Anyway, I bought them. I bought them off eBay actually. There was a guy who was I was having a lot of trouble because I wanted them a lot, but I wasn't paying $200 for these. I wasn't paying no $225, no $250. No, sorry, no. But got them in. I saw that some guy wanted to get rid of them quickly. They were size 11. I wear size 10.5. We got a deal. I think it was about $200, but I got them. I was happy. But I was planning to become a YouTuber, so I said I'll wait till I unbox them on video. It has been 3-4 months. I'm tired of talking. Let's get into the shoes. So here's the box, just in case you need to see it. Supreme box logo right here. Regular Nike box. Then you got another Supreme box logo on the other side. Can you focus real quick? Show them that. Is it upside down for you guys? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get that. But yeah, it's time for the shoes. All right, let's get into it. I don't know why I keep saying let's get into it. It's so lame. 3 months for this. Oh, sorry, I need to be professional. So here we got the shoes, man. Here they are. Bam. Are those fake to you? Please tell me. I did buy them off eBay. Okay. Good Lord, they're beautiful. Thick sole right here. Still smells new. Woo! The logos feel very, they feel good. Got that BOGO right there. Please don't wipe off. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. And yes, it is a size 11. So let's check these things out. Got a cool insole actually. Let me take the strap off too. These are actually strap. They have a strap on it. Got a Nike check on the strap, and then you have some Supreme embroidered in white on this one. If you did not remember with the shoe, they also had a white colorway. I wasn't feeling the white. I felt the black a lot. I'd wear the white though. And yeah, you got Nike Air Force One Supreme on the pull tab, on the tab. And let me kind of, if I can show you the. And then on the sole, you can see like a Knicks logo right there, Supreme box logo, Nike. Has like a, you can see that's the Pacers logo. Has a few more logos in there. Yeah, let's just get my honest opinion how they look. In hand, oof. And there's also something right there. See that Supreme Air Force One 2018-19, correct? Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get both of them in the shot. Down there? No. All right, now I'm gonna show you on foot. Be prepared. Oh, and this is how the bottom looks. Okay. I'm messing up. There's some different teams on the different shoes. So you got the Lakers right here, Golden State, you know. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Phoenix Suns right there. Got the Timberwolves. I like the new logo. It's pretty cool. I like it. Portland. This was a big reason I bought this shoe. I don't like Portland like specifically, but the look from this and the Nike swoosh, it just looked good to me. It just all looked good. OKC logo right there. San Antonio Spurs on this toe. Box logo right here. The box logo is just a little, it's like everything else screen printed on, but you can feel it. You can feel the difference between this, if I'm pointing to it right, and the box logo. It feels different. Then you have Houston Rockets. Some of the logos feel exactly like the material, like this. You know, you go to certain parts of it, like the L right here feels, can I show you what I'm talking about? The L right here feels different, but if you go like to the ball, it feels exactly like the rest of the material right here. Again, Supreme right here, pull tab, Nike swoosh, classic Air right here. Let's get in. Let's get into it. Stop saying that. what they look on feet. You see that? They look beautiful, huh? You see that right there? Looks nice. Oh yeah, let me turn this way. See the other shoe? Back up, Jay. Oh yeah. Can you focus, please? Looks nice. Let me pick the camera up. Like on feet, see right there. This is what they look like on. This is with strap off, attached. This is with strap on. Get the strap. I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna edit that out. I'm sorry. Oh my god! I am so sorry. Wow! Hope you enjoyed the video. Look at the shoes. And sizing on these, I'd go true to size, but if you go up half a size, it should be fine. I'm a 10.5 naturally in Nike shoes, and this felt fine. I've loved having you here on my channel. It's a little tight getting in at first, but that's how all these tall Air Force Ones are. Air Force One mids are. But yeah. Hope you liked the video. Hope you subscribe. I will be trying to bring more energy than I have right now. It was just a long process, but hopefully you liked the video, man. Hope you liked the video. Here's a look at the shoes again. Jesus Christ. Let me know what type of don't let me know what type of videos you want to see. I'm trying to come out there with more videos. I get a lot of stuff like this. Like I'm into Supreme, I'm into Palace, I'm into Nike, Adidas, vintage stuff. So I will be unboxing a lot here. I actually have an unboxing coming up pretty soon, so be on the lookout. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Let me get off your screen for a minute. Hope you come back. That was horrible. Let me try again. Try to think of one real quick on the spot. On the spot. See you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. Is that good? I don't know. What's up, it's the boys, Kidista. Man, back on your screen. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm not in frame. Am I in frame? What's up, it's the boy. Oh my gosh. Okay, just keep recording. What's up, it's the boy. Oh my gosh. What's up, it's the boys, the Kidista. Man, back on your screen, people. You gonna stick around? That was What's up, it's the, oh my gosh. What's up, it's the, oh my gosh. It's gonna happen a lot. What's up, it's the boy, okay, let me get in frame. Let's go. Okay. What's up, it's the boys, the kid is the, man, back on your screen, people. Are you gonna stay around? Stay around. Wow, wow. Keep going, keep going. Okay, you see my shorts? Okay. What's up, it's the boys, the kid is the, man, back on your screen, people. Are you gonna stay around? Stay around. Oh. Okay. I got it.